Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Wall Street memes. So guys, Wall Street memes is currently selling fast. You don't want to miss out on them. Looking at the tokenomics, we can see that 50% goes for pre-sale, 30% community rewards, 10% sex liquidity and 10% dex liquidity. Now, looking at here, 10% sex liquidity is key here. Judging based on the fact of other token does not tell you that they are going to list on sex exchange, which centralized exchange, but this Wall Street memes is already giving us a hint that is going to be listed on centralized exchange. So you guys don't miss out on this. Now, to buy Wall Street memes, go over to MetaMask first. If you are operating from phone, install MetaMask on your phone. Go to Play Store and download MetaMask. Then save your key phrase, because it is important. I will advise you writing your key phrase down than saving it on anywhere you see or online. So cause hackers can have access to your information, so it requires that you should write it down offline. Now, after you've downloaded MetaMask, next thing you want to do is go over to centralized exchange. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Binance. If you don't have a Binance account, I will have a link down below to sign up on Binance. Okay, so guys, now to fund your Binance account, first thing you want to do is that go to this buy crypto section. You can either use bank deposit, credit and debit card, or you can also use P2P. Now, so assuming, for example, now if you funded your account already, go over to the withdraw section. I click on withdraw. Now, first thing you want to go is that you say, I'm assuming you funded your account with Ethereum, so we click on Ethereum. Now, remember you've created a MetaMask address. Copy that your wallet address, copy the wallet address, then enter the address here. So I paste my address here, select withdrawal network. So the withdrawal network here is definitely Ethereum ERC20. Don't click on all this other network. The only thing we are lead here is Ethereum ERC20. So we click on it. Then we enter the amount that we want to send to this MetaMask wallet. Then you click on withdraw. So now to buy Wall Street memes, all we have to do is that we click on connect wallet. We click on our MetaMask. So we click on next. We click on connect. So guys, before we continue, note I will have a link down below to get special bonus from Wall Street memes. So you don't want to miss out on Wall Street memes bonus. So what we do next is enter the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. So you can, depending on how much you have, you can enter the amount you can comfortably buy. So for this tutorial, I will go with this amount 0.03. You click on buy now. So all you need to do is click on continue and confirm it in your wallet. So you click on confirm. After confirming, you've successfully bought Wall Street memes. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching.